Okay, dear students, we are going to the chapter is concept. The topic is a theory of equations. Now we are going to relation between roots and coefficients. Now, observe A naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on plus a n minus 1 x plus a n is equal to 0 is called polynomial equation of degree n such that a naught not equal to 0, comma a1, comma a2, comma a3, so on an minus 1, comma an are constants. Now, the given equation divided by a naught, the equation will be divided by a naught on both sides, then we get it is x power n plus a1 by a naught x power n minus 1 plus a2 by a naught x power n minus 2 plus so on plus a n minus 1 by a naught x plus a n by a naught is equal to 0. Already in the previous video we had to find already the formation of a polynomial equation whose roots are given. So this one is comparing with the polynomial equation whose roots are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n. Comparing with x power n minus sigma alpha 1 x power n minus 1 plus sigma alpha 1 alpha 2 x power n minus 2 minus sigma alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 x power n minus 3 plus so on plus minus 1 power n into alpha 1 into alpha 2 into alpha 3 into so on alpha 1 n is equal to 0. Alpha n is equal to 0. Now comparing them. Then that means actually this is in the form of x power n minus, that is x power n minus s1 x power n minus 1 plus s2 x power n minus 2 minus s3 x power n minus 3 plus so on plus minus 1 power n into sn. Simply this is sn is equal to 0. That means minus 1 power n into sn is equal to 0. In the previous videos, this represents the equation whose roots are alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha n. Now comparing them. So where s1 is equal to alpha sigma alpha 1, that is s1 is equal to sigma alpha 1 is equal to sum of roots roots. That is equal to, what is in place of S1? That is, what is in place of S1? That is minus, here it is minus S1, A0 by A1. That's why minus A0 by A1. It is S1 is equal to minus A1 by A0. That is sigma alpha 1 is equal to sum of roots. Sum of all the roots. Sum of all the roots. Now S2 is equal to, what is S2? Here it is S2 plus, it is plus A2 by A0. A2 by A0. That is sigma alpha 1 into alpha 2. That means sum of the product of two roots taken at a time. Sum of the product of two roots taken at a time. Taken at a time. The product of two roots taken at a time. Now, S3. S3. Again, what is S3? S3 is negative. Here it is minus. Next, A3 by A0. That is sigma alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 is equal to sum of the product of three roots taken at a time. Sum of the product of three roots taken at a time. Three roots taken at a time. Three roots taken at a time. That's all. Similarly, so on, Sn is equal to minus 1 power n an by a0 is equal to alpha 1 into alpha 2 into alpha 3 into so on alpha n. That means it represents product of all the roots. Product of all the roots. Product of the roots. Product of the roots. That's all. Now we are going to do the examples on this concept. Now we are going to do the examples on this concept. Now, the examples on this concept. Now, find example, find S1, S2, S3, S4 in the equation x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 10x square minus 8x plus 7 is equal to 0. That's all. That's all. Simply it is, this will comparing with x power 4 minus s1x cube plus s2x square minus s3x plus s4 is equal to 0. That's all. Now, s1 is equal to 5, s2 is equal to 10, s3 is equal to 8, s4 is equal to 7. That's all. That's it. Now, one more example, that is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus 8x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then find alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That's all. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha means, observe, it represents sum of the product of two roots taken at a time. It is called S2. That's why solution for this one, S2. What is formula for S2? Minus of, that means S2 is A2 by A0. A2 by A0. Here it is A0 x cube, A1 x square, A2. That's why what is A2? Minus 3. What is A0? 1. That's why answer is minus 3. So S2 is nothing but alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 3. That's all. That is S2. Like that. Now we are going to for cubic equation, means what? Here alpha, beta, gamma are taken as roots. Then here formulate sigma alpha is equal to that means the cubic equation that is x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 is equal to 0. Then sigma alpha is equal to s1. Sigma alpha is equal to s1. Sigma alpha beta is equal to s2. And alpha beta gamma is equal to s3. Alpha beta gamma is equal to s3. Now sigma alpha square is equal to s1 square minus 2s2. s1 square minus 2s2. And sigma alpha cube is equal to s1 cube minus 3s1 s2 minus 3s3. Sigma alpha square into beta square is equal to s2 square minus 2s1 s3. Sigma alpha square into beta is equal to s1 s2 minus 3s3. s1 s2 minus 3s3. Sigma alpha cube into beta cube is equal to s1 s2 cube minus 3s1 s2 s3 plus 3s3 square. That means a relation between roots and coefficients. So these are the forms. For example, example for this one. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of are the roots of the equation x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then find sigma alpha square. First one sigma alpha square, second one sigma alpha cube, third one sigma alpha square beta, fourth one sigma alpha cube beta cube, fifth one sigma alpha square beta square. That's all. Now we have to find. Now what is S1 from this one? S1 is 3. So S2 is 7. S3 is 2. That's all. Now from this one, first one, sigma alpha square. What is formula for sigma alpha square? S1 square minus 2S2. S1 square minus 2S2. That is, what is S1 square? S1 square is 9. S1 square is 9 minus 2S2. Minus 2S2. 2 into S2 is, that's why 14. So it is minus 5. So sigma alpha square is minus 5. Next, second one, sigma alpha cube. Sigma alpha cube. What is the formula for sigma alpha cube? S1 cube minus 3S1 S2 minus 3S3. So from this, here we have to write sigma alpha cube value. S1 cube, it is 27 minus 3S1 S2. 3S1 S2. 9, 7. 3 into 3, 9 into 7. 63. Minus 3S3. Minus 3S3. S3 is 2. That's why this is minus 6. So 27 minus 69. 27 minus 69. That is minus 42. Minus 42. Next. Third one is sigma alpha square beta. Sigma alpha square beta. What is sigma alpha square beta? That is S1 S2 minus 3S3. S1 S2 minus 3S3. S1 S2 21 minus 3S3 is 6. So that is 15. Now fourth sigma alpha cube into beta cube. Sigma alpha cube into beta cube. That is S2 square. S2 cube minus 3S1 S2 S3 plus 3S3 square. 3S3 square. What is that? That is S2 cube. S2 cube 243. S2 cube. It is 343. 49. Right. 343 S2 cube 343 minus 3 S1 S2 S3. 3 S1 9 63 that is 126 plus 3 S3 square that is 12. That's why. So this is 343. That is 355. 355 minus 126. 355 minus 126. That is 7 1 2 217 229 229. That's all. Now we are going to next, that is sigma alpha square beta square. We can do here sigma alpha square into beta square. The formula is S2 square minus 2S1 S3. S2 square minus 2S1 S3. That is S2 square is 49 minus 2S1 S3 12. That's why it is 37. It is 37. That's all. So this is relation between, that means the question's relation depends upon the relation between roots and coefficients, and these are very, very important, especially for objective. These are very, very important. Okay, that's all. So this is the concept of relation between roots and coefficients. That's why S1 represents always negative, S1, S3, S5. So odd represents negative, even represents positive. That's all. Okay.